Okay, welcome back to the Adventure Within channel. My name is Andrew Fritz. I'm a clairvoyant, healer, and meditation teacher. And in today's video, I'd like to talk about what men can handle when they're on their spiritual path and really in pursuit of their truth. And that energy I'm referring to is the energy of invalidation. That energy that can make you feel like what you're doing and what you're pursuing is not valid or not real or incorrect or wrong or bad or whatever it might be. And that energy can be sometimes noisy and quite loud, and maybe it kind of makes you stumble for a second and kind of jams you up a little bit. Maybe makes you question about what you're doing and that, oh, this is the wrong way, I need to go back. So that's just an energy. And the big thing here is recognizing that, well, it is an energy, but it's not your energy. And where is that energy coming from? And this is what I love about meditation and having different soul abilities on, such as clairvoyance, where you can really look into this. You can go, oh, okay, this is an energy. I can see and read energy. I can be aware of energy. And I can go, oh, okay, this is invalidation. I can kind of see where it's coming from. And I can start to really have some certainty that, oh, yeah, I can differentiate out, this is not my energy. And so, well, what is my energy? And just redirecting to my truth, going back to my truth. And, that's what meditation's all about is, it's very easy in this world to get caught up in the dramas and all sorts of stuff. Kind of gets loud out there. And turning within and tuning into that higher aspect of yourself. And, my truth is different from your truth, and so on. And that is perfectly fine. So that's the fun thing about meditation, is that you get to find what is true for you. And that's okay if it's not the same thing as people you grew up with, or people that you grew up with in your town or family or whatever it might be, that, oh, okay, they have their way, but you have your way. And sometimes as you get closer and closer to really embracing your truth, things can get really loud and make you feel like, oh no, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I need to turn back. This is no good. I'm so bad. I'm wrong. And gotta remember, if you're feeling that, that's probably not your energy, because your energy is not going to make you feel so bad, right? And if it feels kind of intense and kind of overwhelming, usually that's another sign that it's probably someone else or multiple people's their energy. It's not yours. So what do you do from that point? Again, your awareness is key in the healing process. If you're unaware, you can't really do much about it because you're not conscious of it. So once you're aware of it, this energy of invalidation, you probably feel it or handle it on a mental level, but now you're more clear about it. Oh, okay, I'm handling this invalidation. And you can start to meditate on, well, where might this invalidation be coming from? Is it something that's happening in present time? Possibly. Is it something that's always been there, you just were unaware of it? But because now you're really going after your truth and embracing it, it's starting to come up. So it can be actually a combination of both, actually. Something you're handling in present time, something that's just from the past and just kind of bubbling to the surface. And you don't have to fight it or solve it or figure it out. You can just be aware of it, recognize it's not your energy, and just decide to let it be. And just to let go, to release. And again, to redirect your attention right back to what is true for you. That's really what meditation's about, right? It's just reminding yourself of your truth. Because it's easy to get caught up in this world, all the dramas and whatnot. Of course, it is loud. And so taking time to quiet things down, turn within, and go, oh, no. I know my truth. I know what is true to me.